One of the greatest benefits of being an online learner is having us, your success coaches. If there is ever a time that you want to try and contact us, we encourage you to either drop in during our office hours or set up an appointment with us. This can be done by navigating Starfish. You can find the Starfish link in Blackboard on the institution page. You can click the link and you will be directed to your success coach's calendar. On this page, you can see the Raise Your Hand button and a calendar. The calendar will have times available for you to meet with your success coach. Click the arrow key to see next week's availability as well. Scrolling down, if you ever need to get in contact with your professor or success coach, you can check the My Connections box and scroll through the list of names. You'll be able to find their contact information, such as an email or a phone number. Now, let's schedule an appointment with your success coach. Scroll through My Connections, find your coach, and click the Schedule button. You will see a prompt asking you what you need help with. Click the section that applies to your situation, and then click Continue. Then you will see the success coach's calendar and the times available. Choose a time and click Continue. You will be prompted to choose your location, which in this case is likely by phone or video chat. You can also type out a short description of why you are reaching out. Click Confirm and you are all set.